Finally, on my screen is an example of a dependent t-test to see if there is a significant difference between systolic blood pressure pre and post exercise. The dependent t-test examines significant differences between two sets of related data. In this example, it's systolic blood pressure pre and post exercise. The first step involved me calculating the sum of the pre and post blood pressure scores, then calculating the difference and summing that up. Finally, I squared all of the differences and summed them up. This process is presented in the table at the top of the screen. After that, I inserted the values into the relevant places in the equation, which calculated a t-value of 9.91. This is shown on the left-hand side of the screen, step by step. The final step, same to the three other tests, involved me coming up with a critical value based on the degree of freedom and value of significance. In this scenario, I used the value of significance of 0.05 and the degree of freedom n-1. From using both the value of significance and degree of freedom in the critical value table, I produced a critical value of 2.571. Due to the fact that my calculated value is higher than the critical value, this means that there is a significant difference between the pre and post systolic blood pressure scores of the 6 gymnasts.